guys, today I'm going to show you a Nerf gun. Nerf, Zombie Strike, Flipfury. So, let's keep it aside and let me tell you one thing. The most important thing. So see, that the most important thing is subscribe to my channel, like my channel, and one more thing. Don't subscribe PewDiePie. Hate PewDiePie. Unsubscribe if you subscribe him. Subscribe T-Series. That's a happy channel. So everybody, now I'm gonna tell you how this works. You pull it, check it, then shoot it. And just shoot it behind. I'll just show you a preview of this. I'll just show you. So everybody guys, as you know, that was amazing, and now we're gonna show the real thing. There are two barrels, because if this barrel gets empty by shooting, pull this real fast and the barrel will change. The loaded barrel come up, keep shooting, and if all 12 dots end, take a new dot. Collect all the dots. So currently, I think this gun is amazing. This gun is amazing. So, everybody, please buy this gun. It's amazing. And I'm not doing a commercial because of this. I'm not paid. Big enough. So, see guys, one thing, it said it should be used in a zombie apocalypse, whatever that is, when zombies conquer the world, that type thing. So that time you should use the gun. It was written on the box, but that will never happen, as I think. So that's enough for today. Bye. Sure to subscribe me, and don't subscribe PewDiePie. Like me, subscribe me. Hate PewDiePie. Don't subscribe PewDiePie. Subscribe T-Series. Like T-Series. And sure do see my next video. Bye bye.